Hi, my name is Bailey. I'm a Support Analyst for Tribeca Technology. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove unwanted applications from your taskbar in Windows. First, right-click on the taskbar and head to Taskbar Settings. In there, you will find the Taskbar Items section that will show the Search, Task View, Widgets and Chat icon. Now, to remove these, you have a few options for the search box. So, the one called Search Box is the larger size or the full size part down the bottom here that opens up the search. As for the icon and label, it will just say search and be a smaller box. You can also just have the icon, or you can turn it off completely by pressing hide. Next is the task view. This can just be switched off, and as can the widgets. The last one is the chat or the Teams personal edition, and this can also just be turned off by pressing that. As for other applications or third-party software, you can just right-click on them on the taskbar and click unpin. This is beneficial as it allows you to clear up your workspace and pin apps that are more relevant to your job role. Thanks for watching this video. For more like this, please visit our YouTube channel.